I'm gonna go confirm if my girl Lulu is pregnant. I'm heading to retrospect. It's crazy how much they've grown up. Look, I'm gonna show y'all footage of when they were puppies. Enjoy the transformation.
I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee just like Mike. Looking for a bright light, Seagull with your life like riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike, pressing on the gas, flipping over for a night light. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever fear me, only when they need me. Like a Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see if we let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like, turn it down.
Come here, Lulu. Alright, I'm gonna go confirm if my girl Lulu is pregnant. I'm heading to retrospect right now. The 30 days is over. We finna go confirm that. And I got someone that wants to check out Wukong. I might go sell him too. Stay tuned. Man, he's going to California in like 3 more weeks. My boy's going to Cali. Y'all think Chanel finna be sad? You think she knows? Nah, she hates that boy. When Fat Boy came over, she forgot that's her son. Hey, what was I gonna say? Oh, look, let's record Lulu's hand. Let's see what this is. Look, my little girl Lulu got a rash. I want to know if any of y'all have ever got this before. Hey, watch out. Look, zoom in. Watch out, watch out. Move. Move. Look. Y'all see this? I'm gonna go get it checked out. I've never seen something like that. It might just be a little infection or a rash. Shit, you had a crazy rash yesterday. Look at his eyes. Hey. He got a green and a blue eye. This boy got piercing blue eyes. Look at him. Come here, sit down. Sit down. Lulu. Oh, man, she gonna make some hard-ass bulldogs, bro. I'm excited. We've been waiting on her. Last time we tried to breed her to Sandlot Bulldogs, one of his studs, but she didn't take. I think it's because we had the semen shipped. You know, I like to do it live in person. I like to do the live AI. Because with shipped semen, it might not be fresh. So you never know if it's gonna take. It's like a hit or miss. And you're waiting 6 months for your girl to come in heat. It's better to do it live in person than to wait on a damn frozen semen. Right, mama? Man, if we produce a stud out of this, it's over. The stud game is different, man. That's what I'm noticing. Cause let me see. Cause Bentley got 2 lock-ins today. If you want to use Bentley, my fluffy carrier stud, he's gonna be at $2,500, and I'll help you sell the puppies. I'll promote your litter. You know, I'm gonna help you do everything. When you spend money with me, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna treat you like family. Ugh. Alright, I'm starting a new business. Well, nah, I'm gonna keep that quiet, but we're buying jet skis and we're buying ATVs. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see that content. On the ATV, I might ride with the dogs. I feel like those videos will go viral. Or should we take the dogs to the lake on the jet skis? Y'all let us know, but I'm gonna try to make new content for everybody. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do lifestyle vlogs now. Y'all gonna see the dogs every day. You know, they're with me all day, every day. Where you at, boy? Where you at, boy? Come here. Look how hard he is. Hey, Tay, you got the best stud coming to Cali. Y'all finna see him promote. Go tap in on my Instagram. I'm gonna post professional pictures of him whenever he's 7 months. I'm gonna make him send me the pictures. I'm gonna post them on my gram. so y'all can lock him in. I'm gonna help out Tay get lock-ins for this boy. Cause at the show, bro, I done seen some ugly ass dogs that are photoshopped. You know, they look badass on the Instagram. Damn, boy. What's up, boy? They look badass on Instagram, but you know, I saw them live in person at Rumble in the Jungle. Man, those dogs are straight photoshopped. This is a raw dog that looks badass. So if they can breed dogs and make 100 bands, he gonna make us 250. Man, we're sleeping on Wukong. We need to go clip his ears. We need to go clip your ears, son. He's so sweet. You know, we were sleeping on him, then we cut his ears, and he just started looking real exotic, and he started popping, man. He looked like a whole new dog. Full tail, full tail. A lot of these dogs got kink tails. We're producing real bullies right here. Man, he's so hard. I did not want to sell you. Bro, I was gonna send homeboy his money back, but cause I was regretting it. But nah, we pulled a co-own on him. So Tay, you got blessed. Nah, on the floor, he looks hard. Look right there, come here. This is gonna be an unedited video. It's gonna hit. You not recording? Oh, yeah. Crazy. Crazy. Hey, and I've been real busy selling food. I don't know if y'all want me to record that too. You know, I just start recording everything I do all day. You know, I got different side hustles. I just need new content. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. But for sure, ATVs and dirt bikes coming. I mean, and jet skis. Look, look hard. Man, look at these piercing blue eyes. Lulu wants all the shine. Come here, mama. Come here. Look at fat ass Lulu just laying down all day. Look at Lulu. She just be waiting for her belly to get rubbed. Her nipples are dropping. That's why I think she's pregnant. We finna go confirm today. Y'all finna see if I'm right or wrong. Look at Queen just chilling. Zoom in on her. Queen be big chilling. Man, how you just gonna step on her, Chanel? Nah, this is my princess, man. Woo. This is the healthiest micro I've seen. These micros be breathing damn near dying. We got a crazy rainstorm coming. I'm letting them play outside real quick before it gets hard out here. Let me tell them about the content we have coming. We got AT. I had ran her to power. Look, I'm gonna play the footage. I had ran her to power, but she didn't get pregnant, man. That's crazy. I spent $5,000 on the stud service on that breeding, and that girl did not get pregnant. Well, you know, that's just part of the game sometimes. I would have made some insane puppies, man. Look at that. Look at that. What do y'all want, huh? You get her. Hey. Chanel just playing by herself. We're deworming Queen. You gotta deworm all your females before they ever breed, you feel me?
She got her dewormer like 5 minutes ago.
Lulu
She took it
just
like
got
a champ.
hers.
Queen's taking it like a champ.
Everyone's
Queen.
taking it like a
Good
champ. Look how
girl.
small this girl is.
Alright, stay tuned for her. She's gonna be a bitch.
Alright, Chanel a little crazy, man. But Queen's very humble.
Good girl, Queenie.
Yeah, she probably thinks it's amazing. Lulu probably wants some more.
It smells like paint.
Nah, it smells like like paint.
Just straight up, it smells like primer.
Damn, Queen's body just looks so fucking badass. She's so small.
Good girl, Queenie.
Chanel don't want none of that. You hear me?
Hey.
Chanel,
Why
it's
are you like
deworming time. Shoot, Chanel. It's deworming season. Come on.
Look, mama, look. Hey, look. She taking it, look.
All that, Queen, all that. What are you
Life
about to do,
like, this is
Queen?
what your
No,
life
mama.
like. Try to live your life right. People really know.
Bro, Queen is so freaky.
This is like a movie, but it's really very life.
Queen.
Every single fight.
Queen.
And I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee.
He's so small and freaky, man.
You a bright light, seagull with your life like riding on a white bike, like a spike.
Man, you're gonna get raped. You did it?
No, I haven't touched it.
Huh?
Hey.
She's a fancy little girl.
Now you wanna see it, let you see it through your piece. Tell me what your life like. Turn it down.